Who was Rugamba Sipiriyani, who was killed during the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi? Rugamba Sipiriyani was born in 1935 in what was then Karama Commune, now part of Nyamagabe district in the southern province of Rwanda. He attended primary school at Cyanika Parish. He pursued his secondary studies at the minor seminary of Kabgayi and continued at the major seminary of Nyakibanda. Later, he went on to study at the University of Bujumbura, where he completed his undergraduate studies. He then moved to Belgium and studied at the University of Louvain-la-Neuve, where he earned a PhD in history. In 1965, Rugamba married Mukansanga Dafros. Mukansanga was a primary school teacher and came from the same area as Rugamba, Cyanika Parish. Rugamba Sipiriyani is the founder of the Amasimbi Namakombe troupe. This was a musical group known for singing songs that praised God, as well as songs that offered teachings about everyday life. He worked in the government, but was dismissed prematurely due to his intolerance of injustice, which he condemned through his creative works. His fame is evident in the over 400 songs he composed, including titles like Ntumpeho, Indanini, Greed, Ja umenya gusaza utandurani jeciane, Learn to Age with Dignity, Agaka, and many more. Rugamba was killed during the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi, along with his wife Mukansanga and 6 of their 10 children. 4 of their children survived. Rugamba is remembered as someone who greatly advanced Rwandan literature and arts. He left the Catholic Church and other Christians with deeply spiritual songs that are rich in meaning and artistry. His songs are not only considered beautiful music, but also carry timeless messages and guidance for people of all ages, today, tomorrow, and beyond.